punt of Andy Lee. Good kick all the way back to the 13. Tommylee Lewis, he's quick. Watch out. He's got a chance to go all the way. Only the punter is in front of him. He hops by Lee, but he tripped up and fell down. And he is out of bounds at the Panthers' 28-yard line. Great return by Tommylee Lewis, the rookie out of,
Excellent job by Tommylee Lewis right here. You go sideways, and then you get north-south, and just a lot of missed tackles and bad angles until Andy Lee. Andy Lee has the best angle in pursuit, and I think it's very smart of Andy Lee to pop up right there.
3 wide receivers in the game. Brees throwing underneath. Touchdown! Michael Thomas, the rookie out of Ohio State. Just a little simple play over the middle, and the Saints widen the lead.
I love route control from an offense that really understands defensive coverage. And one of the great things on this play, obviously the touchdown goes to Michael Thomas, but the great thing here is Mark Ingram right here. He's going to hold Kuechly on the outside. So you eliminate him from being in the middle of the field. That opens up that whole area for Michael Thomas to work. If you do that same route with Mark Ingram out of the backfield,